Paul, RW, down here in the Mountain Storm Workshop, teaching myself how to TIG weld stainless steel with my little welding station here. And so I'm using a TIG torch, obviously, air-cooled 040 blue tip lanthanated tungsten. I've got some 202 stainless. This is 20 gauge. You see I've been doing some little things on it. And I just thought I'd share the process with you. Here we go. That was a nice start, huh? Class act. Get a little puddle going. Grab the puddle forward. Again, you kind of swirl it. Especially if you're at the edge. But I've just been checking out how interesting it is. The arc force just draws the metal around like you wouldn't believe. Now, I think I ran a little hot. Hovered a little too long, perhaps, because I got violets and silvers, dark silver, like gunmetal. And then right at the end, that's like the ideal color, is that straw color. Well, you got a couple more minutes. Just hang out. I'm going to run another bead and see if that one comes out any different. Now, I've got a balled up tungsten, so it's making a real wide path, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with that. I'm just having so much fun, I don't want to jump up and sharpen the tungsten again like this thing. But I will. Let it going. Back up a little bit. Stuck my rod right into the tungsten right there at the end. But now, okay, now here, that's not a bad looking weld at all. And if it's just a surface weld and it doesn't go through the other side, it's not enough heat. But as you can see, man, this baby's went through the other side in a nice way. As a matter of fact, the back sides look better than the front sides in terms of color. Color looks good on this one. This one's not bad at all. Little overheat right in the middle. But my tungsten, I don't know if you can see this, but here, get the tip cover thingy off of here, the tail piece. To poke it through this way because it's all balled up. But can you see the big ball of material on there? It's pulling it in. It's interesting. This torch is negative. The table is positive. So everything's trying to flow into this tungsten. And it does. And I've also discovered that every time I clip these tungstens, I think you should cut them. Because when you clip them, it puts a little stress on them, and it actually makes the rod no longer perfectly flat. You can see it's got a little bend to it now, so when I try and sharpen it, it makes it a little more difficult for me. But I'm pretty happy with how those welds are looking. They're looking, like a pretty halfway decent color. Still pretty warm, but pretty decent color. I like this miniature work, man. It's fun.